Hi, good evening. My name is Herbert Albers. The demo that you are about to see was created by a team of ATLs from Mexico. It is a native Swift app built for the Mac that connects to watsonx.data through microservices built in Python using FastAPI. In Mexico, our customers want to be able to search documents primarily in Spanish but also in English. As a result, we decided to implement support for both languages. In order to index multilingual text, we used an open source transformer from Hugging Face called BAAI BGEM3. We also decided to use the newly added Mistral Large LLM to generate the answer, since it works very well in Spanish as well as in English. This allows us to perform nice tricks like submitting the question in English to obtain results from the Spanish version of the book. In our demo, we will be searching a 40-year-old technical manual that explains how to take care of your Apple II, like the one you can see here in the background, and that was available in both languages. We selected it because it has a structure that is very similar to many of the operations books used by our customers. The demo by searching the English version of the book, which can be seen here. It's about 180 pages long, and it explains how to take care of your Apple II. So let's start by searching how to fix a failing floppy drive. As you can see, the app has no problem giving us several suggestions on how to proceed. What is really nice here is that the application provides us with references about where it found the information used to generate the answer. For example, here we see that in chapter 7, chunk 21, small chunk 1, it found this sentence which says the disk drive does not work, and it places it in the context of a larger chunk of text that is related to this small chunk of text, and this provides us additional information, and we found this to be very effective to provide good results. So now let's switch to Spanish. And now we can see here that the PDF is in Spanish. Let's go here to search and ask for something very similar. Say, for example, ¿Cómo arreglo mi monitor? So now we are asking on how to fix the monitor if something is failing. As you can see, here we obtain results on how to fix the monitor if something is failing. It works very well, and we can take a look at the prompt. And this is a prompt using exclusively the information included in the following paragraphs. Answer this question: how do I fix my monitor? And here are the different chunks of text. Those are large chunks of text that provide partial answers to my question. And so this application also supports multiple search strategies. As you can see, I can change the chunk size. We can work with small chunks with context, which I have found that provide the best results. So those are, you search for results on small chunks of text, but you provide a larger paragraph, the paragraph that the small chunk belongs to. Or you can perform directly searches on large paragraphs. This also works, but probably the best solution is the intermediate one that's shown on the screen right now. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the demo, and thanks for your time. Goodbye.